Okay, everyone, to make my Queso Blanco Rotel Dip, I start off by browning my meat. I am using some ground pork sausage, the mild flavor. You can get hot. If you don't like pork, you can use turkey or chicken, or you can eliminate, or you don't have to use the sausage at all. Sorry, guys, I'm tongue-tied. I will also be using, alongside my ground pork sausage, some ground beef. This is some lean ground beef. Try to get you some lean ground beef, okay? I'm adding in some diced onions for flavor, and I am also adding in the package of taco seasoning. There's no reason to make Queso Blanco Rotel Dip without the taco seasoning. You need that flavor. So with my ground beef, I'm gonna mix everything together, you guys. Mix my seasoning in, and I am going to brown my sausage and my ground beef together and allow this to cook until it's no more pink, okay? And I get a little bit of sear on my meat. Ground beef is not good, and sausage is not good if you don't get a little sear. It's called a little crust on your meat, even when it's crumbled, okay? So the cheese that I will be using for my rotel is Velveeta Queso Blanco. Y'all can see the name, and these are the ounces. Okay, so I have cut up my Queso Blanco cheese into squares. I have also added my meat, my ground beef and my ground sausage to my pan, and I am going to add in my rotel, okay? So that's 1 can, and this is 2 cans of my rotel, okay? And I just have the mild rotel. Get whatever kind of rotel you like. And I'm going to place this in the oven until the cheese melts, and then I'm going to mix it all together, okay? I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so it is out of the oven. I want you guys to see how I allowed the cheese to melt. Don't pull it out until your cheese looks like this on the edges, okay? Ooh, look at that heat. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together. Y'all see that? You have to add no milk. You can add other cheeses to this if you like. Some people add pepper jack cheese. You can add whatever you like, okay? But I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this rotel dip together, because that's what it is. It's Queso Rotel Dip, and we wanted some rotel dip, so that's what we made, okay? So let me mix this together, y'all, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so it's mixed up. It's still hot, so I gotta let it sit before we dig in. Of course, we're gonna have us some restaurant style corn chip, tortilla chips. But this is our rotel dip, done easy, simple. Anybody can make some queso rotel dip, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video out with each and everyone you know. Stay tuned to my channel for another great video. And tell everyone once again about cooking with TK. Peace. Have a great day.